If you are taking a small child to Walt Disney World anytime soon, then you need to know about Rider Swap, and today I'm going to explain it to you. Hello there, and to all who come to this happy place, welcome. If you're new here, my name is Abby, and I make Disney planning content here on my channel every Tuesday and Thursday. I would love to have you hit the red subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and tap that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. 21 different attractions in Walt Disney World currently offer Rider Swap. And today I'm going to teach you how to maximize it so that even if you have a small child with you on your next vacation, you can still get on all the fun big kid rides. As a travel agent specializing in Disney destinations, I've made it my mission to make sure you get as much as possible out of your next Walt Disney World vacation. The first thing that you should know about Rider Swap is why it exists. We all know that there are rides at Walt Disney World that small children and babies can't go on. And people have some wacky solutions to this problem that are absolutely not going to work on your next Walt Disney World vacation. The first solution that I've heard recently is to leave your small child with the nearest cast member, and that is not a thing. You can't do that. There are a lot of reasons why that's a bad idea, but they're just not going to let that happen, and that's really all you need to know. The next solution that I've heard is to have the kid wait in line with you, and then when you get to the front of the line, dad rides first, mom holds the baby, then dad holds the baby while mom rides. And unfortunately, this is not allowed. No one is able to enter the queue unless they meet the height restriction for the attraction. So your little one is not going to be able to wait in line for Flight of Passage with you. Luckily, they have Rider Swap, and it really works out better for everyone anyway. Rider Swap isn't just for kids that are too small. It's also for anyone that just doesn't want to or can't experience an attraction. So for example, my mom is still scared of Tower of Terror, so if we really wanted to, we could use Rider Swap there. We don't, but we could. Now, not all attractions participate in Rider Swap. However, most of them that have a height requirement or some sort of scariness factor do participate. So you can always check the Disney World website for a complete list of participating attractions. So before I explain how it works, I would love to hear from you. Have you used it in the past, or are you going to use it in the future? I'd love to hear why or why not in the comments. And if you are getting ready to plan your family's first Disney vacation, I would encourage you to check out this playlist here for all of my best beginner tips. So when you're ready to take advantage of Rider Swap, you take your whole party before anyone rides to the front of the attraction, and you ask the cast member if they participate in Rider Swap, and then say that your party would like to do it. You'll be split into two groups. The first one will ride first, and the second one will ride second. Whoever is not riding is going to have the small child or member of the party who won't be riding. For the rest of this video, I'm just going to refer to it as a small child. The only caveat here is that the second group can't have more than 3 people in it. Now, the great thing here is that if you've got 2 and 2, someone from the first party can ride again with the second party. So it can be anywhere up to 3 as long as someone always stays with that small child. This is especially awesome for big brothers and sisters because they get to do it twice without having to wait in the line again. Now, this only works if you wait in the standby line. This is not made to double up your fast passes. And some people will tell you differently, but I can say from personal experience that I myself and many other people that I know have been turned away at the front for trying to use this as a fast pass. You have to wait in the full standby line in order to get that second party. So cast members are going to scan your Magic Band or your ticket if you have a ticket, and then they're going to add a return time to your My Disney Experience account. This time is based on the wait time of the attraction at that time. So when the other party gets off, you do need to enter the attraction pretty quickly because you will have a limited time frame. They do build in a buffer, but it's not huge. Now, while Party 1 is riding the attraction, Party 2 can feel free to wander in the general area of that ride. I wouldn't go too far just because you do have to enter pretty quickly after your party comes out, but you can always find a show, an attraction with a shorter wait time, or you can check out some souvenir shops. As we all know, there is a ton to do everywhere you look in Disney, so you really shouldn't have a problem staying entertained. When Party 1 comes out, Party 2 will give the small child to Party 1 and enter through the Fast Pass lane. They'll still have a small wait, typically 15 minutes or less, but depending on the attraction, it could be a little longer, but it'll still be way quicker than waiting in the standby line again. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up. In Tuesday's video, I'm going to be talking about the perfect age to take your child to Disney for the first time, and you definitely don't want to miss that. This video is kicking off my Disney with Littles series here on my channel. I have a lot of great content coming your way in the next couple weeks. And we are also starting to get excited for our Disney trip coming up in just 45 days. 44 when you watch this video. I'm going to be doing a lot of vlogging, including the opening of Galaxy's Edge in Hollywood Studios, so make sure to stay tuned for that. If you haven't already, make sure to join my Facebook group, Mickey with Littles, which is always linked in the description down below, and is going to be a great resource for you if you are taking small kids to Disney. With that being said, I will talk to you guys again on Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!